Stop paying for Grok AI video generator because I found something that gives you free AI videos every single day. In this video, I'll show you how to create insane AI videos from text and images completely for free. I made a video about this AI tool and it got removed. That's when I realized how crazy powerful this thing actually is. First, open your browser and search for Digen AI. Click the first website in the search results. You can also use this tool on your mobile phone. Now listen carefully. If you miss a step, you may think this is fake, so watch properly. First, sign up. After you sign in, you will get 300 free credits. Don't worry, even if this is a credit-based tool, you can use it for free. When you tap here, you'll see that you can get free credits every day. You get about 120 credits daily, plus some extra. And here, you can see that each generation will cost 20 credits, so you can generate about 27 insane AI videos plus 6 videos daily. Now, let me show you how to generate AI videos using this tool. You won't be able to generate videos from here, so tap on this icon. When you tap here, you'll see various AI tools, but not all of them are free. Only models from Real Motion Turbo are free to use. You know how to use this already, so I'll not explain this. Now, let's generate an image to video first. Then, I'll show text to video. There is something you need to do to use text to video, so don't skip. Now, upload your image here, then paste the prompt, and click generate. I uploaded an image of pirates and gave a prompt about pirates finding a golden island. Okay, the video is ready. Let's watch it.
There she is! The golden goddess is real!
The video and audio are very good. The lip sync looks great. However, you can see a huge watermark here. Don't worry, I'll show you how you can remove this watermark without cropping the video, so keep watching. After generating the video, you can download it from here. Now, let's generate text to video. Go back. Here, if you paste the prompt directly, it will not work. So to create a text to video, you'll have to change the model, so tap here and select Real Motion Turbo. Then paste your prompt and hit generate. This is simply a prompt about a superhero and a train. Okay, the video is ready. Let's watch it. As you can see, it looks quite good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.